Now, one thing I do want to remind you that this can be a little tricky for some people. If they grab something and go, wait a second, all of it didn't move in the same place. You remember, you sometimes have to group things together. I'm going to show you another little tip. If I click and drag, it gives me this red box. And now anything inside that red box is highlighted. For example, if I just click and drag right over here, only the corner of this chocolate bar was actually inside the red box. So only the chocolate bar is selected. But if I click that and drag that box over both the text and the chocolate bar, then both are selected, just like that. And I can go ahead and group those together. Now let's say you need a couple of these, but you don't want to have to reconstruct every single one of them. All you have to do is actually highlight it like I do right now and have your control button pressed down and then press the letter D as in dog. And you see how it flashed there? It actually duplicated it in the same place. If I click and drag it over, now I have two of these. What's kind of cool is that if you do that again, Tinkercad will remember how far you moved it over and it won't duplicate in the same spot. It'll move it over precisely the same measurement that you actually moved it last time. So I'll press Control D again. Now I got a bunch of them. I can keep doing that over and over again, but I don't need that many right now. What I'm going to do now is show you another little quick tip too here as well. We've been working with basic shapes, but there are tons of different kinds of shapes in here. Many of them work kind of differently, to tell you the truth. There are some that react like traditional shapes, but then there are some, for example, if I go down to circuit assemblies and I drag one of these things over, sometimes you can manipulate them, sometimes you can't. Sometimes they're locked.